Hey everyone, Rob here, and I have some more news on this lava wall, as well as when people think that this lava is going to reach the road and possibly the ocean, and it's a bit sooner than you think. Now first, I just want to say thank you to uniquelyiceland.com because they sent in this drone footage. It's really great. They do virtual tours of Iceland with local guides, so you can check them out at uniquelyiceland.com. And what they're saying is when they were doing this drone footage, they started with the far left of the wall, which is at the highest section, which is 8 meters tall. And the drone, you can see here, starts in the ground, goes up to the top of the wall, and you can see that the lava has hit the brim, and it is in fact actually breached the wall at this point in time. So the drone's continuing, going over a small hill to the right, where the wall's around 4 meters tall, and you can see there's a little bit visible, but the river of lava is flowing over it. And then we'll have the drone going over the steep downhill section to the thin ribbon of lava that is creating a oozing waterfall over 100-ish feet high, maybe 100 meters. I don't know. I'll have to get some information on that. But you can see towards the end of this video that the lava is now filling the next valley and covering the hiking trail. Now it's partially good news, because if you didn't want to walk as far to see the lava, pretty soon this could potentially be reaching the road. I mean, we don't know when it's going to stop. Some scientists are saying that maybe it's going to be 125 years because it comes from so deep. It's up in the air right now. They haven't extended the wall completely. The wall is not meant to control this lava to the extent that was originally thought. It's more of an exercise in seeing what can happen, seeing should lava like this go towards more infrastructure, more people. Can we use these techniques to buy some time in order to evacuate, for instance? Because there is things like Katla that is really a more dangerous eruption, they're saying, and that one erupts, well, it's overdue. Now, a volcanologist, Thorvaldur Thorarsson, and I hope I said that correctly, he believes that the lava can reach Söderstrandsvegur, which is the main road where the parking is, in around 1 to 2 weeks. It's, again, a guessing game, because no one really knows exactly what's going to happen, but if everything goes on the eruption side and the lava is sort of streamlining, as you can see in the video here, straight down, it could reach the road fairly quickly. It's very difficult to say at this time, and it all depends on how the lava behaves in Natthagi, which is the valley that it's going into now. And if it spreads out, it could take maybe 3-5 weeks before it hits the road. But if it goes through a specific channel, very narrow path like you can see here, and it continues to do that, then it could hit the road fairly quickly. It's not a lot of time for strategy, and you want to do these walls to try and control the lava, but again, it's meant as an exercise in this particular case. There's not a huge amount of time. As you can see, very quickly they started building the wall. They realized that there was an issue that they needed to sort of test out, and very quickly the lava breached the wall. And I think it's amazing footage. You can see here just like this stream going down this hill. I've been here a bunch of times, and to see this is really, I'm in awe to sort of take a look at this footage. I can't wait to go back and see it in person. But that's it for the update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the update. So thank you so much for watching.